Hello, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor, and in today's free educational lesson, we're going to discuss investing in gold mining stocks. And many people have this false impression that it's safe to invest in gold mining stocks. The reality is, a gold mining stock is just like any other stock. But before we begin, I invite you to, I have a book coming out also, before we talk about the investing in the gold mining stocks. I have a book coming out with Wiley Books called The Bible of Trend Following. I invite you to pick it up. As well as here on the website of Trend Following Mentor, have a free 40-page report on trend following, which you're going to learn a lot, and the idea of compounding money. Jump over to meta stocks. Here's just a chart that I pulled up of Newmont Mining, which is a proverbial gold mining stock. And as you can see, that, you know what, anything can happen with gold mining stocks. They're not any safer. I mean, look at this down move. It went from $71 down to a low here of $43. That's a huge fall. It was, you know, it's just a tremendous fall. And even the fact that you need to realize when you trade anything that you're dealing in the unknown and you're dealing in risk. I mean, you had a long choppy period here, made up a new high, but I mean, really, you didn't get anywhere for a very long period of time. But what's interesting, when I'm looking at this gold mining stock chart, and it had this big sell-off here, there's two things I want to point out. First of all, I always use, this is an indicator that I use, which is called Trading the Trend Line. I wrote an article in 1998 in Stocks and Commodities magazine, and I use this indicator. It's a trailing stop type of idea that keeps you in a trend and tells you when to get out. It's very applicable, and you can email me. It's andrew@trendfollowingmentor.com, and I'll send you the article, and you can learn from it. And it's very important to trade with trailing stops, because the fact is, when people trade, many people don't realize that anything can happen. They think they put on a trade and it has to work. This is the whole reason why I'm talking about gold stocks. They think they buy a gold stock and they're going to make money. Well, it's not reality. Look at this point, this drop here, huge. But what I see in this chart, and this is also what I teach in Trend Following Mentor Home Study course, which is fascinating, is you have this downtrend, obviously downtrend, where you have you have lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Here you tested it and then failed. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. You're in a downtrend. But when you look at this MACD, it's showing right here that there's some internal strength, which is fascinating. So you see this, then you have a breakout to the upside, and what's even super cooler, look at this. This low here was retested here, but you have even a bigger divergence with the MACD. And you know what? It looks like, my impression, just from looking at this chart, that there's a very good shot that Newmont Mining, or this gold mining stock, might take off. And the idea is, what I teach in my course is I have trend retracements, and I also have a trend breakout. And it looks like this could be an interesting trade. Again, this is for educational only. The idea, what I really wanted to present here, that investing in gold mining stocks is not the holy grail. There are no holy grails. There's no magic system, no magic manager, no magic indicator. But you need to think. You need to learn. You need to invest your time in order to become a successful long-term trader. I've been trading for 18 years. This is my passion. I speak to all kinds of traders throughout the day that are striving to be, and also other money managers. And it gives me a very different perspective. And again, why I wanted to write, or actually post this in my blog and post in YouTube, that there's a misnomer out there. Investing in gold mining stocks are investing like in any other stocks. You want to buy the strongest stocks if you can put on a low risk bet. You want to sell the weakest stocks if you can put on a low risk bet. You want to trail your stops. You want to trade with a thought out exact plan that is full of risk management, with the concept to compound money over very long periods of time. This is what successful trend following is. This is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor. Again, I invite you to sign up. You get a free 40-page report and learn how to trend follow. Learn how to become a consistent long-term trader. Thank you.